After nearly a decade working in sales and marketing within B2B sports tech companies, here are my tips on building a commercial engine for B2B sports tech. Okay, our final video, 18 videos in, and we're getting to one of the final topics, paid advertisement. And when should sports tech businesses start doing paid ads? Now, there are two different types or categories of paid ads currently. There's your paid advertisement happening within search and on Google, and that extends to YouTube and other Google products. And then there's paid ads sitting within social media. For sports tech companies looking to build out paid ads within search, so that's Google, the side banner ads, people typing in on Google for a search, getting YouTube pre-roll, all of that, I would really recommend looking at it once you have developed a really solid website. Hopefully you've gotten some outside help with copywriting, ensuring you've got your keywords, ensuring you've got your organic SEO down right before you start investing in paid ads. It's kind of like it's a band-aid solution really to try and drive traffic to your website. What you want to do is set your website up so it is as optimal as it can be from an organic standpoint, and then turn the tap on and then bring in the paid ads and start driving traffic to the website. Now, for a sports technology business, one of the key things to be doing is running anti-ads. So, someone is searching GPS products, you obviously want yours to appear above. But let's say you're a competitor, you're an up and coming GPS product company. What you might want to do is have ads running where if people type in market leading brands like Catapult or StatSport, you would then want to have your ads show when people are searching for competitors like StatSports or Catapult. Then when it comes to running Google ads, what you also want to have is a clear action. Yes, of course, you want people to go to your website, but you want to make sure that your website is optimal, not only from the SEO point of view that we talked about before, but optimal from the flow. For the ad page, are they going to an offer page straight away? Are they just going to your website? Are they going to the about you of your website? What exactly do you want from your user once they click on your website? Think about the user journey, think about what you want them to do, and create their journey through the ad off the back of that. Now, from a social media ad point of view, it's a very similar theory. You want to make sure that your organic social media is popping. You want to make sure that it's happening and it's flowing, and you've got a good organic strategy that's getting you a large number of views organically. And this is the same across all platforms. If you've chosen Instagram and Facebook as your main platforms, or you've chosen LinkedIn and Twitter as your main platforms, it doesn't matter. You want to make sure that you've got a good organic strategy for your organic social media before you start putting money onto those platforms. And again, you want to make sure that you have an idea. It's all well and good to run ads, but you want to make sure that you have an idea of the journey that you want to take people on once they click your ad. So consolidating those two things first is important before pulling the trigger on paid ads for social media. One other quick thing for social media ads is the ability to test using organic posting. I'll give you an example of a client that I had. They sit outside of sport, but the principles stay the same. We posted 4 or 5 different pieces of content, very, very similar, but what we were doing is we were testing it. We were testing to see in an organic environment which one performs better. We had an array of different videos and performances ranging from 300 to 1200 views. When it was time to run the ad, our main creative, the main piece of content that we used for our ad was the highest performing organic piece of content. We just tweaked a few things, we changed the copy, we had a little different call to action at the end, but that was our main creative for our paid advertisement. It was already a proven piece of content from an organic sense, which means it's going to perform and perform well when you put some money behind it. And that proved to be a sound strategy. That client that I worked with ended up getting over 3x return on investment for their paid ad strategy, which was a great result for those people. So back to sports tech. In my opinion, from a sports technology company point of view, specifically B2B, I think once the website is sound, once you have a clear user journey that you want and a clear strategy for paid Google ads, they are important. I think any business that has got the website to a certain standard needs to consider looking into paid advertisement for search and Google. And on a social media standpoint, I think it's definitely a case-by-case basis, depending on the product or service that you're offering and the channels that you're operating on. I certainly think if you have a sound social media strategy that you're getting a lot of traction and a lot of engagement on, it's certainly worth testing and trying social media ads. but I wouldn't be so gung-ho as I am from my experiences with search and paid ads on Google and SEO and those sorts of things. So there are my 2 cents on building a paid ad strategy for B2B sports technology companies, and that's the end of our video series. So if you've watched every video, if you've watched a couple, or you've just watched this one, thank you. You can check back all the videos. They're on our YouTube and on the website, ourzuz.com. That's OURZUZ, Ourzuz. If you want to get in touch, drop a comment, drop a message, or email me, james@ourzuz.com, OURZUZ. Thank you very much again. Have a great day.